Hey you guys, welcome to my video. Today, as you see, this video will be in regards to this delicious trout that I pan-seared in basil pesto and lemon juice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed really making this particular fish. It was actually my first time. I accidentally picked up the trout instead of salmon. So I noticed it literally as I was starting this tape, and it came out absolutely delicious. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you happen to have any questions, and if you look forward to new videos. Hey you guys, just as a quick tip on seasoning, if you're able to find no salt seasoning or salt-free seasonings in your local grocery store, try to use those, because a lot of times when we use our regular seasonings, they actually contain a lot of salt or sodium if you look at the ingredients on the back. And so for me, this is a way that I've just found that I'm able to still use the level of seasoning that I like without having to compromise my salt intake levels, as I just try to do a little better. So that's just a quick tip I wanted to send your way. I hope you continue to enjoy. So don't talk about me as I apply this basil pesto through this fish. So I am trying to get it to the bottom so that I can just allow that seasoning to sear at the bottom of the fish as well, because I really want that profile of the flavor in the pesto and in the basil to actually cook into the fish. So that's why you just kind of see me moving it around a little bit, just trying to get it on that bottom. So as the olive oil in that, but causes it to like sear and cook in and just get really, really good. And then in a minute, you'll see me add some lemon to it. So it's really going to make it moist. So that's just what I'm doing here. I just want to kind of explain to everybody. I'll be like, what is she doing? Guys, trust the process. On me too hard because I'm about to put, you see it, I pulled out this bottle of lemon. Look, okay, you see me. This is all that I have. I love lemon, so I just cannot keep up with my love of lemon through buying them. So I just had to just break down and become that person who buys it by the bottle. I'm sorry. Until I get my garden going, this is what I have to do. Hey you guys, this particular part here is very optional. So I did this because I wanted some sauce on top of my fish when I got done cooking it to place on top of the pasta that I made on a previous video. So if you want to check that out, actually, you know what? No, I haven't posted that video yet. So it'll be coming out, the pasta that I made to go, that I paired with this fish. But I'll also do a what I made in a week. So you'll be able to see the lineup of how I, stretched out the pasta to go with this fish and just make another meal out of it. So that being said, you could just continue to cook the fish as it was before I placed that cream in there. But if you're someone who likes sauce, then continue on watching. thank you guys for watching this video, and that is it, you all. Truthfully and honestly, this fish was so good. Look at that. I mean, just falling apart. It was so like I don't even know the words to describe it because it was so good. So you guys you're just gonna have to try it. You're gonna have to make it. You're gonna have to try it. And when I tell you, you will be adding it to your list, because I know I will be. Because again, like I stated, this was something that I had never made before. And when I tell you, my husband, you guys, literally left me one piece of fish after I made this. So it's a check for me. So I hope it'll be a check for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And hopefully I'll be able to chat with you all later. Bye.